making a poster
What's the poster for?
for how to help water.
How to help save water?
Mhm.
What does it say?
Don't water plants on a rainy day.
And what's that a picture of? Let me see.
Someone watering plants on a rainy day. I didn't draw the water yet.
And then what are you going to do after you color it in? The last thing we're going to do, we're going to do a big...
We're going to do a big circle around it and then a line through it.
Make a circle around that man and then put one line through him, okay?
Like this?
Yeah. And then one line. Perfect. That's a perfect. You did a great job there, okay? Don't water plants on a rainy day. Okay. Complete the circle over here. Okay.
Ooh.